Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly lecture video. This week I'd like to take a few moments to discuss exercise 4.1, the dialogue with Dave. I may be rushing through chapter 3 a bit. Does not minimize the importance of the content in chapter 3. There's a lot of good um, there's a lot of good strategies in there as far as pulling together and working with your sources and moving toward the research essay. However, I thought that it would be appropriate for everyone to start thinking about audience and where you are going with your particular research essay. What you've done is you've collected these sources, some of you more than others, but you have a good amount of sources across a variety of different genres and categories, as was indicated in the annotated bibliography. You've pulled some paraphrases, quotes, or summaries from those sources and engaged with those in the double entry journal. So you have all of this information. Now, the emphasis is getting an idea of how to present this in a way that appeals to an audience. So the dialogue with Dave activity is actually to start that conversation about your source information in your topic. There are 3 questions that I ask everyone, so they may be in your comments moving forward. The first question is, why does this matter to me? And I don't mean me in the sense of your instructor, I mean me as a human being. What is the importance? Why does your topic matter to me? The next question is, so what? Straightforward, just so what? So, what about your topic? How does it affect society? How does it affect me? If you go back to the first question. And the last one is, who cares? Who is it about? Now, if we're talking about people, you look, there's a little section in chapter 4 about putting people on the page. So you remember now you're presenting your information to an audience. I've uploaded a template here that may help some people in pulling together their activity. It's a blank template. You can plug the questions in, create it some rows. These are just tables in a document right there. So you can use that template to organize your response. I would like some formatting and some organization. Please don't jam all of the text, the questions, and your answers into one large block of text. That's difficult for me to read and assess. Quite naturally, you would think that. But the idea here is to start thinking about how to present your information to an audience, to people. How do you make your topics matter to them? So we're going to move this along and start working toward the research essay. In chapter 4, we have a bunch of activities about working with your source information. Also, I have, for the most part, I've opened up all the remaining weeks except for week 16. So all of the instructions about the research essay, the first draft, the other discussion boards are all available. So you can look at those. If you have any questions or any issues, please send me an email.